Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Remedy for Daily Defense. This product retails for $28. I'm very excited because vitamin C is one of my favorite ingredients, and Remedy has supercharged this with a lot of great antioxidants, brightening ingredients, and a wonderful blend paired with a stabilized 15% concentration of 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid. The fact that this is a stabilized vitamin C formula that looks to be in a more moisturizing delivery with the great ingredients all for $28 is looking promising to me, but only time will tell with how I feel about this product. I will say I won't be able to testify for brightening benefits. I'm mainly looking for some first impression results and comparing it to some of my favorite vitamin C's, but in due time, if it works for my skin, I will keep you posted through short form content. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In this, they use a 15% vitamin C complex, ferulic acid, ectoin, bifida, panthenol, hyaluronic acid. This looks to be one of the most innovative and supercharged Remedy products. What I love that they do, they keep their basics simple and to the point. They keep their treatments loaded down. This is looking to be one of the loaded ingredient lists. Make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website to check out the full ingredients, and also I've left the full ingredient list in the description as well. The big things I'm going to be looking for include, does it cause any sensitivity? How does it perform for my skin, and how does it leave my skin feeling? I also want to see what finish it leaves, and if I feel like this would be designed for all skin types. As for anything else, we'll be continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in. Also, my first impression with this vitamin C comes in really nice packaging, as you can see there. I have done a spot test of this vitamin C, and I like it because it's lightweight yet has a good weight to it that's hydrating, that I feel like will cut back on any sensitivity, any dryness that you could experience from this ingredient. Definitely comes in a more moisturizing formula, but you can see there it's not too heavy of a finish. Moisturizing to kind of counteract the dryness that could come with this ingredient. Personally, I love that they incorporated it in a more moisturizing formula. Often you see vitamin C in a very lightweight formula, so I feel like they definitely took that into consideration when picking this product texture. In terms of smell, doesn't smell like the typical vitamin C serum. One of the marketing claims is that it doesn't smell bad, and I will say that is comparatively to other vitamin C products. It doesn't smell horrid like some of them do, which usually is from the ferulic acid, so good job to Remedy for being able to accomplish that. It still has a little lingering of something, so that is normal. I mean, don't be thrown off by that. Comparatively to other vitamin C's, it's much better. May not smell the best, but it is fragrance free. Applying this to my face, it feels super nice, doesn't feel suffocating, and it's just as lightweight as I was hoping it would be. But you can see there, it gives such a radiant glow to my skin. From what I've noticed, when I am hydrating my skin, it does help appear brighter when I'm dealing with discoloration, and I'm dealing with a little bit right now. I do feel like that is an added benefit, along with the great antioxidants and brightening ingredients that they included in here. I have not seen a vitamin C serum this loaded with this texture, and that's why I feel like I'm personally very excited to continue using this. Feels amazing. Once it absorbs into the skin, it doesn't feel heavy or give too greasy of a finish. I feel like any skin type could use it, but really oily skin, I am not for sure. It definitely is more moisturizing. I'm not more oily right now, so I can't testify for that, but that's just something to keep in mind. Best part about it is no sensitivity, no dryness, obviously. My skin is fairly hydrated. I would recommend going in with this pretty close to your moisturizer step, I would say, because it is a thicker serum. Go in with the lighter weight serums first, and then go in with this. I like to deliver actives like this pretty early in my skincare routine. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple in a simple routine and see if I like using it like that. I'm gonna continue using it, and I'll check in again. I'd like to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I am blown away by not only the technology and the ingredients that have proven to be effective for my skin through continued use, but also the multitasking ability of this product. Here's the thing with antioxidant serums. You're really not gonna see many results or benefits, but what I can tell you is that I have been noticing my skin look a little bit more radiant through more continued use of using this treatment. It was a very gentle gentle vitamin C treatment. One thing that I'm impressed with is how they made a product with ferulic acid like this not smell horrible. Ferulic acid has tended to be the smell bad ingredient in many vitamin C formulas from what I've seen with experts, and the fact that Remedy is able to formulate this with ferulic acid and still make a not bad smelling product is amazing. I've seen some people talking about how this is not a pure form of ascorbic acid. Ultimately, there are stabilized formulas on the market, not many that I have seen very affordable, but with this formula, I have personally found with using 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid that I have seen some similar benefits, and it's perfect for how I use vitamin C, which is just as a maintenance antioxidant treatment. I like both that and ascorbic acid depending on what I'm needing, but just as a day-to-day treatment, that's what I feel my skin needs, and this serum encapsulates that perfectly. But what really made me fall in love with this serum and what I feel like makes it stand out from others on the market is the blend of antioxidants in here that add skin protection day to day, enhanced with your sunscreen. The soothing complex is, I think, my favorite part as someone with acne-prone skin. Ectoin, Bifida, Panthenol, Centella, all ingredients that have worked amazing to calm my skin and soothe redness, acne, and treat my skin, which I found this serum to be the perfect multitasking product. For me, the antioxidants of this product were just an added bonus to an already amazing soothing and barrier serum. I felt like the serum was lightweight enough where any skin type could use it. It is a little bit more moisturizing, so more oily skin, you may just want to use it at night, or it may not be designed for really oily skin. I can't personally testify for that. I personally feel like it was very lightweight and extremely hydrating, but my favorite part about it was my ability to be able to use it both day and night, soothe my skin, replace many of my barrier treatments because it was super lightweight, but showed those more instant barrier restored treatments, which I feel like is a great addition to this product. I feel like a lot of people who will be turning to this treatment are looking for daily defense with antioxidants, but also could be looking for a brightening treatment for some discoloration, which they have some ingredients in here like turmeric and licorice root that I've personally seen great benefits with brightening my skin. And this is just a personal experience. When I'm dealing with a lot of discoloration, I notice that when my skin is moisturized, my skin appears more radiant and doesn't appear as dull. When it's dull, I feel like it brings out all of my dark spots, all of my discoloration. And that's why I feel like it was genius for them to label this as daily defense and a brightening treatment as well, because the moisturization and the barrier support I feel like was helping make my skin appear more radiant. I sadly wasn't dealing with a lot of discoloration during this trial, but I feel like this is going to be a serum that I use day to day. That way, if I ever do end up with any discoloration, it will be already in my rotating routine that I will be treating that. And I love the more moisturized, radiant finish that it gave my skin. Like I said, with antioxidants, I'm really not gonna see benefits with it except for how radiant my skin is looking. It's more of just a defense agent. I like this product for the soothing ability. I like it for the gentle vitamin C derivative, where I'm able to deliver that to my skin without causing any sensitivity or acne to come up on my face. Found I could personally use it both day and night every day. Remedy recommends using it either day or night, but I have personally used vitamin C derivatives both times. I've consulted with experts about that. I would recommend consulting with an expert to get a personalized routine for you. But with me, this was super gentle, very moisturizing, and the barrier complex is what really makes it stand out from some other vitamin C and antioxidant treatments on the market. They utilize a stabilized form of vitamin C, so it does have a long shelf life as well. It is a derivative though. Make sure you are aware that it's not pure ascorbic acid if that's something you're looking for, but I have personally noticed the same, if not better benefits, because sometimes pure ascorbic acid can cause some sensitivity with more extended use. I love this derivative. I feel like the 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid was very effective and did everything it needed in this formula. I'm gonna need to use it more long-term to see some more brightening benefits, but I have to say, with the soothing complex, with how it worked for my skin, I will be continuing to use this, and it's a great multifaceted treatment. The antioxidants for me were the added bonus, and I like delivering those to my skin day to day, so I would 100% recommend trying it. It is an amazing soothing complex. Utilizes a gentle vitamin C, stabilized, doesn't smell bad. It checks off all the claims that I have seen so far and that I'm able to testify for. More time will help with those more long-term benefits, and I will be keeping you posted on this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.